Okay. Hello, dear Anna. Okay.
Hello, teacher.
Hello. Okay. So we will go to our next topic. It's all about your favorite room. What is in your bedroom? Okay.
What's in your bed?
Yes. Do you have a bed in your bedroom? My dear Anna, do you have a bed in your bedroom? My dear Anna,
And
do you have a bed?
I read stories.
Oh, I see. Okay. So, my dear, this is the new words. Okay. My dear, what is this? My dear Anna?
Window. Bookcase.
Good job. Wait. Okay. Very good, my dear. My dear Lily, what is this?
Is desk.
Good job. Next. Do you have a window, my dear Lily, in your bedroom? My dear Lily, do you have a window? Do you have a window in your bedroom?
Is desk.
Okay. But do you have a bed? Do you have a window in your bedroom? My dear Lily? My dear Lily?
Yes, I do.
Okay, very good. How about you, dear Anna? Do you have a window in your bedroom?
Yes, I have.
Good job. So that is the things that is in your bedroom. Okay? Okay, my dear. My dear Anna and Lily.
Đó là những thứ trong phòng ngủ của bạn.
Yes.
Okay. So this one, my dear. Bookcase, window, television, chair, desk. Okay, that is the things. Okay. Next. So, my dear Lily and sorry. My dear Lily and Anna, look at the picture. What can you see? Is the boy watching television, my dear Lily?
Yes, is he.
Okay.
He
Yes,
is.
he is. Good job. Very good. Oh, it's no, my dear. Is the door open? My dear Anna?
No, it isn't.
Good job, my dear Anna. Lily, is the boy wearing socks?
Yes, he is.
Good job, my dear Lily. Next, my dear Anna, is the boy playing the piano?
No, he isn't.
Good job. My dear Lily, is the robot sitting down? Is robot sitting down, my dear? My dear Lily, is the robot sitting down, my dear Lily?
Yes, he.
Okay. Good job. My dear Anna. Okay, no, we don't have. Okay. So, my dear Anna and Lily, what can you see in the room? Write the words next to the numbers. Okay. For example, number 1, this is armchair. How about number 2? What is this? My dear Anna.
Is bookcase.
Good job, my dear Anna. Next, my dear Lily, number 3. Number 3, what is this? My dear Lily, number 3.
Number 3, chair.
Very good.
Chair.
Good job, my dear Lily. Next, my dear Anna, number 4. What is this? What is this? Ka? Kabi? Cupboard, my dear. This is cupboard. Okay, you have to remember that, my dear. Again, number 4, what is that, my dear? Number 4?
Is cupboard.
Good job, my dear Anna. Very good. Next, my dear Lily, number 5. Where is the number 5? This one. What is this?
Number 5.
What is this?
Is
My dear Lily, what is this? 4 legs. It has a...
is
What is this? It's on the, my dear. What do you call that?
Is on the
This is number 5, my dear. Desk, my dear Lily. This is a desk, my dear Lily. Okay, dear Anna, number 6. What is this?
is door.
It's all very good. Okay, because hello, dear Lily. Okay, because okay, there she is. Okay, my dear Lily, number 7. What is this? Number 7.
Is
Phone, my dear. Again, number 7. What is? Good job. Very good, my dear Lily. Next, my dear Anna. Number 8.
is piano.
Yes, very good, my dear. Okay. Next, my dear Anna. Sorry, dear Lily. Okay. Because okay. Okay, okay. Okay, my dear Lily. Sorry. My dear Lily, what is number 9? What is this?
Is picture.
Very good, my dear Lily. Next, my dear Anna, number 10. What is this?
Is television.
Very good, my dear dear Anna. Next, dear Lily, number 11. Where is number 11? What is this?
Is
What is that? The color blue one.
window.
No, that is number 12, my dear. This one, number 11, the color blue one. What do you call that? What? This one. This one. This is, what do you call this one in your bedroom or in your house? That is wall, my dear. Wall. Okay, my dear Lily. Again, number 11. What is number 11? Okay. My dear Lily, what is number 11?
Well,
Wall. Good job.
is well.
Very good. Number 12, my dear Anna. What is this?
Well. Is window.
Good job. My dear Anna and Lily, you did a great job for this. Okay. So, my dear, you have to... Okay. Okay. So, my dear, you have to notice this, my dear. My dear Anna and Lily, the size is... My dear Anna, what is the size? We have
Big, small.
good job, very good. So, my dear Lily and Anna, you have to remember that one. The size is big and small. So that is the size. Next, plus color. Green, pink, and red. That is a plus thing. Okay. What is the example for thing, my dear? Dear Anna? Do you know the thing? Can you give me example about the thing that you see in your home?
Desk.
Good job.
Okay.
Very good. Okay, that's a thing, my dear. How about you, dear Lillian? What thing can you see in your house? My dear Lily, what things can you see in your house? Hmm?
Big,
Yes.
red,
Okay, but what's things?
desk,
What things can you see in your house?
desk,
Good job. Very good. That's right, my dear Lily. Okay. For example, a big brown mirror. The mirror is brown. It's a big mirror. Okay? You have to describe the size, color, and the things that can you see in your room. Okay, for example, a big brown mirror. The mirror is brown. It's a big mirror. Okay, a small green computer. Can you give me, my dear Anna, can you give me some sentences about these sentences, my dear?
computer, green. Ở đấy, chị ta xuống.
The
The computer
is
is green, is a small computer.
yes, very good, my dear Anna. Good job. Very good. Okay. So, my dear, oh, sorry. What is in your bedroom? Okay. My dear Anna, can you please give me the things? What is in your room?
Các bạn đã học đây. In my bedroom, there, there's a, a desk, a, a bed,
Okay.
a,
My dear, you have to say the size, the color, and the things, my dear. Okay. Again. In my bedroom, there's what is the size of your desk and the color? There's
in my bedroom, there is big, a big brown, a big brown desk.
okay, next. Can you please give me another things that can you see in your bedroom? How about your bed?
A big red
Okay, another things.
bed.
Okay. Next.
A small brown bookcase.
Wow. Good job. Very good. You did a great job, my dear Anna. Okay. So, my dear Anna, you have to make and write, say 2 words. What is this?
is
What is
a
this?
cup.
How about this one?
Board.
Good job. And this one?
Book. Bookcase.
Cupboard.
A cupboard.
Yes, good job. Very good. Okay. What is this? A cup?
A cupboard
Yes, very good. You have a cup and then you have a board. What do you call it?
is cupboard.
Yes, good job, my dear Anna. You did a great job. Very good. Okay. Next. Next, my dear. Okay. What is this? What do you call that? What do you call this one? In our parts of the body.
Um,
It starts with letter A. Arm, my dear. Arm.
arm.
Yes. And next, what is this?
Chair. Chair.
Okay. What do you call this one?
Sofa.
Okay. You have an arm and you have the chair. What do you call that? You have an arm. You have a chair. What do you call that?
Chair.
Can you say it again?
Chair.
Yes, very good. So this is a arm chair, my dear. So yes, a armchair. Okay. So my dear, Nick loves fish. Write Nick on the line under his bedroom, then complete the sentence about his bedroom. Okay. So sorry. Okay, my dear. Nick loves fish, my dear. Which bedroom is Nick's?
Right.
Okay. Very good. Good job, my dear. Right. Very good. You did a great job. Okay. So this is a Nick's room, my dear. Okay, in Nick's room, the mat is orange. Okay. Next. What is the yellow, my dear? What do you call this one?
The cupboard is yellow.
Yes, good job, my dear Anna. You did a great job. Next, number 3. The blank is red. What is the red? What things is the red?
The chair is red.
Very good, my dear Anna. Next. What is the color of the wall?
The walls are white.
Or good job. Very good, my dear Anna. Next, number 5. What is the blue?
The bed is blue.
Oh, my dear Anna. Next, number 6.
The bookcase is brown.
No. Okay, again. What is the size?
The
Number 6, my dear, again. Can you please read?
the
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 the my dear.
the the window is big, but in Anna's room is small.
Good job. Very good, my dear. You did a great job. Okay. So we will go into play the game, my dear. Guess what I am drawing? What is this?
Is a desk.
Oh, again?
Is a table.
Yes, very good, my dear. Good job. Next. Okay. Thank you and goodbye. Okay. So, my dear, we will go to our next. Okay, that is 19, 20. Did a great job, my dear Anna. Because you know now what is in the bedroom, the size and the color. Okay, so the unit 20, my dear, Alex, Ben, Kim live here. Did you know, my dear? A tick, a tick is a yes, my dear. A cross is a no. Okay? Okay. So, my dear, this is a door. Okay? This is a door. My dear.
Is clock.
Job. Next.
Clock.
This is a car.
Tick.
Very good, my dear. You did a great job. Okay. So, my dear, look and read. My dear, you have to put check or a cross in the box. Okay, my dear, number 1, this is a kitchen. Wrong or right? Cross or tick? Number 1.
This is a kitten.
Okay,
Tick.
good job.
This
This is a camera.
this is a crocs.
Can you say it again? Number 2, my dear.
Croc.
Cross.
This
Good
is a
job.
camera.
Very good. Number 3, this is a family.
Tick.
Yes, very good. Number 4, my dear. This is a chair.
Tick.
Very good. This is a cat.
Crocs.
Good job. Very good. You did a great job, my dear. Okay, my dear Anna, that's all for today. And thank you. Goodbye, my dear Anna. See you on Thursday.
Bye.
Bye. Good night.